Congratulations.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynbert and today I'm going to show you how to cut a certain part of the music and convert that to MP3 file.
Congratulations.
Hello awesome people. First thing you need to do is to download the software which we are going to use. If you have no idea where to get it, I will put the link below. Open Audacity and select a music which you are going to use. You can find it on File menu or just press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Next thing you do is to find your favorite part of the music which we are going to cut, the start and the end. I'm sorry if you hear some chipmunks singing, I just fast forwarded to save some time. Now that we found our desired clip of the music, all we have to do is to delete those parts which we are not needed. Just left click the start of your selection, and when you see a hand pointing icon, just click and hold plus drag to direction which you want to delete. Now release your finger. By now you can see that the part of the music is highlighted. We want to delete that. What should we do? Just take a look at the upper middle part of the toolbar. There's an icon looks like a scissors. Just click it. Or if you're lazy enough, just press delete key on your keyboard.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
If you're confused why this is not the same look as the previous, it's because I zoom it. In order to select accurately, just hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll down to zoom in, and scroll up to zoom out.
Congratulations.
Now we're done. Last thing we need to do is to save our work. We want to save it for MP3 file. How? All you need to do is to go on File menu, select Export, then select Export as MP3. You can also save it for WAV, but for the sake of this video we will save it as MP3 file. You can also change the file name and choose where you want it to be saved. After you click save, you will see a form which you can edit the metadata tags. You can put some information, but you can also leave it empty. It's all up to you. time to test our work.
Congratulations. Hey, congratulations.
That's it for now. If you think I help you, just leave a like. Let me know on the comment below if you want me to do more tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Once again, I'm Lynbert. Thank you and goodbye.
Let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna. Look at T